Hello, my name is Prabhakar Sridivasakam. I am coaching mathematics through online. So whatever skills I'm using, I just wanted to put in YouTube video form. This particular skill, in this video, I'm just going to explain how to build online quizzes through Microsoft Forms. If you are coaching children online, the mathematics concept, after that, you wanted to test whether the children are able to perform well. So you can build multiple choice question and make them automated so that you don't have to sit in front of the students. If it is required, you can sit with them. Otherwise, the student themselves can attend the Microsoft forms, quizzes, whatever you have built for any topic, maybe mathematics or science or any topic. So now I'm just coaching you how I'm building quizzes through Microsoft Forms. So click on this Microsoft Edge and just log in to my MS Forms. Type MS Forms. You need to log in. So this particular latest website has been updated as forms.cloud.microsoft. It was earlier forms.microsoft. Recently it is changed to forms.cloud.microsoft. You have to click on this. So if you have already signed in through Microsoft Edge, that is a browser, then it is fine. Otherwise, you have to use your email ID and password, sign in there. So this is my email ID, which I have just selected now. So you will be directed to this particular page. Click on this next and click on this got it. And straight away come here, new quiz is there. Okay. So are you able to see this new quiz? Click on this button. Then you will be getting this untitled quiz. Whatever name you wanted to give, you just can just give it as. I'll type it MCQ-001, first questions. So the description, you can type it whatever you wanted to do. Normally, I'll put it as 10 Qs to be attended within 5 minutes. So this is how I develop this Microsoft quiz. And click on this quick start with the button. Then you have many options called choice, text, rating, like it, ranking, date, net promoter score, section like this. Okay. I used to select this choice question, multiple choice question. When I click this, I get the question here. I can type it here. Natural numbers are natural numbers are 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma dot dot dot. Something you are just typing. Option 2 is okay. 2, comma 4, comma -2, comma -5, comma dot dot dot. Something you can just select it. But out of these two options, both are now in the tick mark. So just click on this first option, which is correct. Okay. So click on this, and obviously the by automatically the cross mark will come for the wrong question. If you want to add another options, normally I add 4 options. I'll put here as dot dot dot, comma -3, comma -2, comma -1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma dot dot dot. So this is integers. No? This is not a natural number set. Okay. So click on this add option. Just put whatever option you want. None of this. If students feel that whatever options given, nothing is matching, then we should give the option as none of this sometimes, not always. Okay. Then straight away come here points, you just mark it as whatever points you wanted to give. Normally I give it as 1. And here you have the option to select mathematical expression. If you want to build it, then you can click on this. Multiple answers, the student can select more than one answer, which is correct here. Then check boxes will come here. Here we just click it as student has to give the answer necessarily. Okay, then click on this required. Normally, the student has to attend all the questions. So all the questions has to be set as required. Come and click here. Shuffle option is there. Okay, shuffle option means the question will be shuffled and the answer also will be shuffled so that the student will have real challenge and then it will be very, very interesting for them. Okay, so like this, click on this add new question, Click on the choice and add the other question like this. Okay, then come to this setting area. Here you just see here, accept responses. Okay, settings area you are having option for quiz, practice mode. If it is practice mode, then we can just give it this one. Okay, select on this. Otherwise, just leave it like this. Then all these things, please go through this detail. Whatever things which I am doing that, I just put it here. Accept responses. So whatever you are sending the link to the student will be able to give the response by giving the answers here. So accept responses. Start date and end date, you can just put it here so that the student has to attend these two questions from particular date to particular date. Okay, between these 2 days. So otherwise, you don't check it. Now set time duration. This is what is important, most important part. So I just normally set it as 20 minutes. 10 questions, all 10 questions has to be practiced within 20 minutes. But finally, this message I used to tell the students visually here, 10 questions to be attended within 5 minutes. That is the ultimate target. Whereas I am allowing student to select this 20 minutes for the practice purpose. Okay. Then shuffle the questions. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, like these questions are there. Those questions will be shuffled so that student will have a real challenge. Question number 1 for the first time becomes question number 7. Question number 10 becomes question number maybe 4 for the second time. Like this, all the questions will be shuffled. Okay. Then get email notification for each response. Hide, submit another response. Student has to submit only one response particular date. Okay. Then hide, submit another response can be given there. Allow or customize thank you message is there. Whatever you wanted to type, you can just type it. Thank you. You have submitted question. Whatever you wanted to take, you wanted to say, you can just say that. And now it is saved. You are able to see this. And anything you are just seeing that making a change is saved will appear here. Okay, now click on this collect options, copy the link. Normally how I do this, I go and create one tracker like this. For example, number system chapter. For NCERT number system, I have created 20 questions. This is the first one and this is the second one. And these are the area where I paste this, click on this link and then if I just type it here, MCQ 001, something like that. Then right click on this, click on the link and paste the link in this address by selecting this existing file or web page. Not here, okay? So just click OK. So now when I click here, it will just open that particular page with the timer raised ready now, 20 minutes MCQ. So click to start, then the timer also is appearing now here. Okay, are you able to see this 1957, 1956, 1955 like this. So as we have created only one question, valid question, the second question is not valid. Okay, we need to just to practice it and check for the accuracy and then submit it. So student will get the view like this. So once you set properly, how it will look like, I will just show the tracker which I have built it. I have created total 523 questions, okay, for all the chapters of CBSE 9th grade. This is for CBSE 9th grade. Over 3 years, I built all these questions, not single day. Single day building 523 questions is very, very highly challenging. So over the period from 2022, 23, 24, 25, 26, like that, I have built so many questions. So for the particular topic, I have created these are the, now I'll just delete this one. Okay. I will delete this one. Okay. Now you are able to see this E3 in E3 and F3 and G3. I will make it yellow color. So these are the names of the multiple choice question is there. When you go here, a hand symbol will be there. Click on this and student will be able to attend this by clicking this start button. So when student is attending all the questions one by one like this, so maybe by to save the time, I'm just selecting something. Okay. And when the student submits multiple choice question, if it is a checkbox will be there. Otherwise, radio button only will be there. So there are multiple choice can be referred here. Here it is radio button, only any one can be changed, not more than one, and submit it. So student will get the mark like this, 3 out of 10 points. Okay, just click on the view result. You will be able to see what is the performance of the child. 3 out of 10, time taken is 30 seconds. So what we are telling the student is, it has to be completed within 15 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever target you are giving, the student has to attend this. Like this, I have built chapter wise questions are there. What is the number of questions available here? Everything is put here, each and every one. So this means E3 contains MCQ 09 blah blah something is there. Okay, then F3 is having MCQ -09. I'll just right click and then you are able to see here MCQ 09 DPAB, my brand name. NUMSY, it is for displaying the chapter name. -002 is the serial number 2 of the multiple choice question. So both are having 10 plus 10, total 20 questions. So that's why this has brought it here as sum 20. Here next one is R.D. Sharma book, in that number system based on that concept, whatever it is explained. I have created this 4 multiple choice questions, each 10. So overall 40. So 20 plus 40 becomes 60 questions. So that means the children can be assigned with this 6 different multiple choice questions, weekend or whatever the schedule as per yourself. So you have polynomial chapter, coordinate geometry chapter, linear equation in two variable, many chapters. All the chapters are covered like this. Okay. So this is what which I have already built in. Same way you can also build in. So watch this video and please subscribe my channel DPAB Hosur. Okay. And press like button if you like this particular video, and also write some comment about this video. Thank you very much, online coach, mathematics teachers. Take care. Bye.